Omwebembezi w'ihanga ekiro yahindura okusherra obuhagizwe omu bicweka bya Sebei sub-region aha amazire ebiro bishatu kandi yahindura na disitulikiti ya Kween hamwe na disitulikiti ya Kapchorwa. Aho niho abantu ba Kween bahababira abakozi ba gavumenti barikwetambwita ngu baguhindurire omuzigo gw'okweriira akasente ka gavumenti. Aho niho omwebembezi w'ihanga yashabira RDC wa disitulikiti ya Kween Hope atuheire okurugayo kushobora hazimwe enshonga zireetiire emihundano omu disitulikiti ya Kween aho yashobora ngu abakozi ba disitulikiti egi aha Obushomankuzi niho barikufeera.
Your Excellency, this is a very important issue that our people are facing. You really give people, the local government, 1.3. But when you go out, our roads are not okay. Our roads are very bad.
Money for road construction was eaten. And eaten by the people, the engineers who are supposed to work on the road. Yes. Yes.
The problem is politics now. This is a political season. And now, some individuals, because I will speak the truth, the individuals who want the RDC transfer.
The way you've had a chairperson say that the money is not put in proper use, we need to send people to find out where our money is.
Na bwanyuma omwebembezi w'ihanga yaraganisa kusindika omubazi w'ebitabo bya gavumenti okuza omu disitulikiti egi okweyongyera Kucondooza nikyo kiri kugyenda omu maisho.
The truth, Manda.
So we are going to get Manda through auditing.
General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yaraganisa kuvuganaho abakuru okuruga omu kyanga ekya Sebei okureebeka ngu batebeekanisa enshonga n'omuringo ogu barabembiremu abantu omu kicweka eki. Aho n'omwebembezi w'ihanga yangyera kuraganisa abantu abo omu bicweka ebi naaza kurondamu abantu abamwe okuruga omu bicweka ebi byona ebirikuteganisibwa okutwarwa kw'itaka batwarwa omu mahanga gaheeru nibwo babaase kushomesebwa omuringo ogu barabaase kutuura omu nshozi. Ogu kandi yamuza abantu ngu gavumenti eine puraani ey'okufuurira abantu okuruga omu nshozi kandi ekabatungire emyanya mirungi ei bakubaasa kutuuramu etarimu kutwarwa kw'itaka.
Our plan is to settle those people, the ones who are at risk in other areas. And the Minister of State is there. We bought some land down here. They have got 56 billion shillings. They are looking for more land.
General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yahenda arikuraganisa abantu b'omu kicweka eki okubombekera itendekero ry'orurengo rwa university nikwo kibayambeho okutungura eby'obwegyese omu bicweka ebi.
Issue of the public university. That one is already our policy. We took the old independence districts and declared them zones of development. And we said we are going to have one public university per zone.